Previously on Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon, with their new time machine, they traveled to the time of the dinosaurs and learned a lot. And now, Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon are traveling somewhere else, but they didn't tell me where. We came to Spain in the Middle Ages. This is awesome! I see that Gata Moon is already dressed as a princess, and she seems to be waiting for Gato Rainbow to get ready. We've come to the 15th century to learn more about castles. Gata Moon loves them. Oops! Gato Rainbow, you have to be more careful! But what are you looking for? Oh, he's dressed as the court jester and he's rehearsing his show. You still need to practice more, Gato Rainbow. Well, Gata Moon and I are going to explore a little. We are headed to the castle. Can you see that thing that looks like a pole surrounding the castle? It's a moat, and it's there to protect it. And that's the drawbridge. You can enter the castle now, guys! Wow, it's very nice, isn't it? Gato Rainbow, seriously, you have to practice much more. Being the jester who entertains the nobles is not easy at all. Let's see where Gata Moon is. Oh look, this is the main room. Do you like it, Gata Moon? This room is very nice, isn't it? Watch out, Gata Moon! That's a chest. That's what they used before instead of closets. Do you want to see the kitchen? It's so big, and the spices are hanging to dry, and there's a very large cauldron to cook. How's the stew, guys? It looks yummy! Let's continue with the tour. These are the dungeons of the castle. They're a little scary, huh? Gata Moon doesn't like them at all. But Gato Rainbow is so brave and… Oops, careful! Well, it has been quite an adventure to see the castle, right? You've seen a lot of things and learned many new words. You even saw the dungeons of the castle, which were a little bit scary. We'll be back again some other time so that Gato Rainbow can make his jester show to the nobles. I'm sure they'll love it. Let's review. We have learned what a moat is, how the main rooms look like, how big the kitchens were, and we saw the scary dungeons. Where will we go on our next trip? Don't miss it! And stay tuned next week, because there will be a very medieval tutorial. Subscribe! See you next time!